EF is equal to EC plus EB by 2 minus KT by 2 ln NC upon NV. So here NC, which is the density of state for conduction band. So let me write here the formula of NC. So density of state for conduction band is 2 into 2 pi K bar Mn star into T divided by H square whole power 3 by 2. So by using this formula we can say that NC depends on effective mass of electron Mn star की whole power 3 by 2, as well as NC depends on temperature whole power 3 by 2. So I wrote here NC directly proportional to temperature power 3 by 2 and so on. Now similarly, the formula of NV, density of state for valence band, is 2 into 2 pi K bar MP star by T H square whole power 3 by 2. So we see here that NV depends on effective mass of holes MP star whole power 3 by 2, and also NV depends on temperature whole power 3 by 2. I wrote here same data. Okay. Now if we divide these two, NC and NV, then NC divided by NV, temperature 3 by 2 divided by temperature 3 by 2, so it becomes temperature power 0, that is independent of temperature. So this ratio is independent of temperature. So in this formula we see that Fermi level depends on K, and K is a constant, depends on 2, this is constant, EC, EB, this is constant. So EF depends on those variables like temperature. EF depends on temperature, and also EF depends on NC and NV, and NC independently depends on temperature, and NV also independently depend on temperature, but ratio of these two independent of temperature. So due to this factor there is no variation in EF, because EF depends only this temperature, not because of these temperature ratios. Okay, so here we say that Fermi level depends only on temperature in intrinsic semiconductor. Now we will discuss on two cases, case number 1 and case number 2. So case number 1 is, let's suppose effective mass of electron is equal to effective mass of holes. Then what? So when if effective mass are equals, then NC and NV are also equal. So NC is equal to NV. So if NC is equal to NV, then log base E NC upon NV becomes 0. Property of logarithmic. So ln1 is 0. So this formula, this part becomes 0. So EF is only equal to EC plus EB by 2. So Fermi level is equal to only this one. So this is your EC and this is your EB. So summation of these two and divided by half means mid of these two energy level. Between these two energy level, let's suppose this is mid. So let me write this. This is EC plus EB by 2 energy level. So the Fermi level for case number 1 for intrinsic semiconductor is lie between conduction band and valence band. Means this is your forbidden energy gap EG. So we can say here that Fermi level EF lie between these two energy levels, that is mid of the band gap. Case number 2, let's suppose temperature T is equal to 0 Kelvin, that is absolute temperature. So at T is equal to 0 Kelvin, again plug here. So after plugging at T is equal to 0, this factor becomes 0. So again EF is equal to EC plus EB by 2. See, so if the temperature is absolute temperature, then again Fermi level lie mid of the band gap, right? So the important point here, and the question which is also asked in our engineering services examination 2 times, the question is this: in intrinsic semiconductor, Fermi level will be existing exactly at the center of energy gap when, आपको 4 ऑप्शन थे वो आपको बताने थे. So these 3 are options. When our center of energy of gap, the Fermi level will be lie when Nc is equal to Nb, number 1 case, number 2 case this one, and number 3 case this one. So this is the position of Fermi level in intrinsic semiconductor and how it depends on temperature, Nc, Nb, effective mass of electron holes, and also density of states. So this is the complete part. Now next one is position of Fermi level in extrinsic semiconductor. In extrinsic semiconductor like p-type or n-type. So let me rough this, then we will continue.